Now that you are comfortable with constraints and what they are and how they are defined, like the leading, trailing, equal heights, bottom constraints, the top constraints, equal widths, and whatever the constraints are there, like center horizontally, center vertically. Now that you're comfortable with all those terms, let me tell you a shortcut of doing all those things. Till now that I mean, till now that the way we have been doing things is that we have been dragging and we've been setting all the various constraints. Over here we can also do, there is also a shortcut of doing all this. There's this, this button on the bottom of the screen. You see, if you click this, you will see all the four walls. This in the center is our view, and it's showing all the four walls. Just remove this check for constant to margins. Just give it leading, top, trailing, bottom, and we are done. Similarly, if you move onto the second view, let's clear the constants that we set earlier, and for this as well, let's just clear all the constants. Now just choose both the views, click on this one, right? So it's trailing, top, bottom, leading. So it's leading, top, trailing, bottom, and both these views have equal heights, right? So add those 8 constraints and we are done again. Easy, right? And it's quite neat as well. Similarly for this one, just clear all those constraints and remove constant to margins. It's leading, top, trailing, bottom, and they have equal heights which are in some ratio that we'll define. Add those 9 constraints. Undo it again. We'll do it again. I guess it's not properly set up over here. Now I guess it's fine. So just choose both of them. It's leading, trailing, top, bottom, equal heights. Add those 8 constraints. Though the heights are not equal, so we'll define the heights, which is in the ratio of 184 to 383, right? So equal heights, first one is the bottom one. Just keep an eye, just make sure the view that you're selecting is the first one and the other one is the second one. Over here the first item is the bottom view, so its height is 383. The first one has a height of 185. Again, just hover onto the first item, see which one it is, give its height over here, and then the second one give its height after the ratio, and just enter it, and that's how we want it to look, right? It's quite simple and it's quite quick as well. You just don't need to drag over and over again, and just select both the views, choose this one, leading, trailing, top, bottom, equal heights. You're done. You don't need to think about anything else. That's all for this video. For the next video, we'll be moving to more complicated view where we have 4